It's Saturday, and what do we do on Saturday? We do Garden Tour Saturday. And my co-hostess for this is Patricia, an awesome channel and does some great gardening. Gives some great gardening tips and shares her beautiful garden with you. Her big, beautiful smile, and she always has something wonderful to share. From her garden to her kitty, and so many wonderful other things. Please go check her channel out and see what wonderful things she's sharing today. This is an open collab. Anyone can join in any Saturday, once in a while, anytime. You can put it up anytime on Saturday. Use hashtag Garden Tour Saturday. Leave me a comment to make sure I go over and give you a full watch. And oh my gosh, look at how beautiful her garden is. And here's another one of my awesome co-hostesses for Garden Tour Saturday. She always has something wonderful to share with us and how beautiful her garden is. She has a great food garden also and gives us lots and lots of gardening tips and an awesome friend. Go check her out, and we have one more to share. And here is my last co-hostess growing on Vancouver Island. She's an awesome channel and always comes up with something wonderful to share. She has a wonderful garden inside her house, in her garden, and takes us on wonderful tours of the island. And lots of fairy gardens also. So, please go over and check out Growing on Vancouver Island, a great gardening channel with lots of inspiration. And now let's go see what Grandma did today. We're going to be doing a garden tour of the front and backyard both today. And hope you enjoy watching what's blooming in Grandma's garden.